Hey everyone, interesting test I want to run today. Got my hands on this nice wireless charger. This did get sent to me for free to test out and review, and as you'll see, it works quite well. Quite affordable and nice. I'll do an unboxing here and what have you, so check out the link in the description for it. But the main premise of this video, in addition to testing this out, is a curiosity I've had and haven't had the opportunity to try until now because I haven't owned a wireless charger. But that is, what's faster? Is wireless charging just as fast as plugging your phone directly into, a cord? And if not, what's the difference? That's what we're going to be testing today. We're going to be seeing how fast this can charge a phone. Using the included power brick that comes with it, and then we'll just be unplugging this using the same power brick and plugging the phone directly in with this cable, and just seeing what the difference is. So here we go. Okay, let's do a quick unboxing of this C10 magnetic wireless charger. We've got some documentation. And we've got the wireless charging pad itself. And I love the fact that it comes with a charging brick. This is a Type C. And over here it looks like it's rated at 20 watts. Charging cord is a really nice length. I like the fact that it's longer than 3 feet. Looks to be right around 45 inches long. That's nice to have something a little more than just 3 feet, but nothing, crazy excessive. And here's the back of an iPhone. And we'll just take this and we'll just see. Yep, connects magnetically. Nice and strong. I have to shake it pretty hard to the side to get it to fall off, but it easily picks the phone up. All right, I got it plugged in. Let's see. Yep, charging. See if it'll charge some AirPods Pro. Yep, it is rated at an output of 18 watts. So we've got a 20 watt brick. Output on this is 18 watts. I want to focus quick on this one piece of documentation. So we have a compatibility list here of what it's for sure compatible with. So a vast array of Apple products. And then we've got on this side, they encourage you to check compatibility before buying. Okay, so I've got an iPhone SE right here. According to this, that's one of the phones that has a question mark. It says to check before you buy. So let's just see if this works at all with this charging pad. Yep. It's just not magnetic. Let's try this again. Yeah, there's no magnetic things like the newer phones, at least in this particular SE. And so it'll slip around and slide, and it might not be centered as good as when you have a magnetic connection. If you notice down here, it has a green check mark by magnetic cases. So if you put like a magnetic case on it and help keep that centered, that would help solve that issue. So it looks like it will charge it fine. You just have to make sure you place it on correctly. The phone here is, I don't know if you can see, but we're at 20%. That's the power adapter that came with this wireless charger. And we're going to do a test to see how long it takes to charge this from 20% state of charge up to 80. Start the timer now. I just barely missed the 80% mark. We're 81 at the moment, but anyway, just shy of 2 hours on the wireless charging pad. Let's see what a direct plugged-in connection. Okay, we've unplugged the wireless charger, but we're going to utilize the same charging brick. We're going to just compare charging times between using a just standard direct connection into the bottom of the phone versus what we saw for the wireless charging, see if there's any significant difference between the two. %, right there, just over 39 minutes. So if you're wanting to truly fast charge your device, it's definitely better to plug it in directly. Of course, that's if speed is of the essence. As far as convenience goes, the wireless charging pad is very convenient and nice, and is a great option if you're just, charging on your desk and got time or overnight. Alright everyone, well that wraps up this testing. So as you saw, this direct connection is significantly faster than the wireless charging. Each has its own use case, I think. For daily charging, where you're maybe just charging overnight or at your desk or whatever, you certainly can't beat the convenience of the wireless charging. Obviously, if time is of the essence and you need as much juice as you possibly can get, as quickly as you can get, there's no substitution, just go straight to the cable that plugs directly in. Anyway, appreciate you joining, and be sure to like before you leave, and subscribe, because we've got a bunch of additional fun videos coming up.